Leigh Brown with One Community Real Estate here. Welcome back to my spotlight on local business. This is a 2-for-1, and you're already looking behind me. I know, because you're curious. So this is the home of Junk Luggers in Harrisburg. They're on 49 behind the Napa Auto Parts store. Junk Luggers can help you clean out your apartment, your house, your garage. You're just tired of dealing with it and you don't trust Facebook Marketplace, which is a very smart thing. So you call Junk Luggers and they'll come out and give you a free estimate and help you figure out what it's going to cost for you to get rid of all those treasures. Now, let's just say that some of your stuff actually is not junk, it's treasures. They have a second business called the Remix Market, and that's where I am right now. They're open Monday through Friday with some limited hours on Saturday. Sunday they spend with the Lord. But you want to know that here at the Remix Market, you might find somebody else's junk that would be exactly what you're looking for. They got a player piano, they've got some chest of drawers, they got this really interesting painting of a lady, which means there has to be a story there. So maybe you're the person who needs some inspiration for your next book or essay. You should come look up in here and look at other people's stories and make up something of your own. There's a room of books, a room of fitness equipment, and look, here's a guitar. Look, somebody did not take their acoustic guitar with them, so maybe your 2025 resolution is to learn how to play something. Come over to Remix Market and keep it out of the landfill by taking it home to your house. And then if you don't use it, then when you move and you call me to sell your house, then I'll send you back to Junk Luggers and you can send it back through the system all over again. And won't that be fun and exciting? So you can visit Junk Luggers and you can also visit Remix Market. Now here's a really cool thing about this business. This business does have a give back component. At Remix Market, they are committed to supporting employment in the Charlotte area through a foundation started by Steve Smith, and some of y'all might remember Steve was one of our very illustrious Carolina Panthers players, and it's called Project 658. They are focused on employment opportunities, and it's just an exciting place to be. So come do a little shopping, do a little giving back while you get your house cleaned out, because frankly, if you want to sell it, I would really be glad if you called the junk people before I came to visit. And in the meantime, make sure that you support local, because when we spend our money locally, we take care of local business, and that makes all of us stronger. I'll see you around.